Hi, I'm K. Prakash, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In the lecture series on solar energy, we have discussed about the solar radiation and then we have discussed about the applications of solar energy. So today's class, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the major application, that is solar thermal power plant. So today our topic is solar thermal power plant. Let us go for the today's topic. So before going to the topic, we will have some small discussion. So how power is produced? Can anyone tell me? What are the...
While coming to solar power, solar energy is collected from when power is produced.
Okay. Meteor is famous for what?
Thermal power.
Meteor is for thermal power plant. Okay. What is Neyveli famous for?
Maybe.
Neyveli is also there is a thermal power plant. Okay. So there are different power plants. Okay. What about Kudangulam? Have you heard of Kudangulam? Nuclear energy is there. So today we are going to deal with the solar thermal power plant. So what is the main purpose of the solar power plant is we are utilizing the solar energy and then we are producing the electrical energy. Okay. So this is the main thing. So how this electric energy is observed is with the help of this setup. So going to this, first we will go with the different components what is available here. Okay. So here there is a solar field. Okay. Here there is a solar field. So in the solar field what happens is here the solar panels has been installed. Okay. Where the solar radiation is observed. Okay. As the solar radiation is observed here the working fluid is circulated in this cycle. So here there are two cycles. One cycle is the water, which is the working fluid is coming in this cycle. Here is an heat exchanger, and another there is a cycle. There is another working media where it is coming in another cycle. Here there are two working cycles. Okay, one working cycle is the first one. The second is the another working cycle. So in the first cycle, what are the components available is the solar collector and the heat exchanger. Okay. Coming to the second cycle, what is available is there is a heat exchanger, there is a turbine, and there is a condenser, a cooling tower. So these are the second. Now, how these first cycle and second cycle are connected is with the help of a heat exchanger. So what is a heat exchanger? Can you tell me? To transfer the heat from one working fluid to another working fluid. For example, if you take your radiator in your vehicles, there is a hot water. How the water is getting into the combustion chambers through the jackets and then it is absorbing the heat. Okay, air is a cold medium. So what happens? Radiator helps the heat to transfer to the air. So the air which is getting contacted with the pipes of the radiator, it takes away the heat. Therefore, when the hot fluid is coming, what happens? Heat is taken away by the radiator, by the air from the radiator, and then the cold fluid again goes to the engine, absorbs the heat. So thus the heat is liberated. The same working principle is used here. Okay. Now let us see what are the components. Here in the solar panels are installed to observe the solar radiation. Here heat exchanger, what is the purpose of heat exchanger is to transfer the heat. And what is the turbine is heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. This is the purpose of turbine. What is the purpose of condenser is to convert the steam into water. Okay. And then what is the purpose of cooling tower is here the required amount of water can be transferred to the condenser with the help of the cooling tower. Okay, that's all. Now let us see the working. Okay. Initially here the liquid comes here. So as it goes through the solar panels, what happens is these collectors. Okay, here there is solar collectors. So because of the solar radiation, the heat is absorbed so that this So water is converted into steam. This water is converted into steam, or else the cold liquid is converted into hot liquid. So this hot liquid comes here. Okay, here there is a cold liquid. So heat from hot liquid flows to a cold liquid. It absorbs the heat. When the heat is lost, this hot fluid becomes cold fluid. Again comes here, absorbs the heat. Again comes here, supplies the heat. Here the cold fluid comes here, absorbs the heat here, and then it converts into steam. This steam is expanded in the turbine. After expansion, this turbine is converted to the generator, so power is produced. After expansion process, the steam is converted into water. This water is completely converted into liquid. Again the liquid comes here, absorbs the heat, and then it becomes steam, and then it rotates the turbine, so power is produced. So this process continuously made. Okay. So here initially water is converted into steam, so that we need heat. So that heat is supplied with the help of an working fluid through this solar radiation. Okay. So this is the working of a solar thermal power plant. Thank you.